Hi, I am Manish. I am general manager in one of the manufacturing MNC. This MNC is in top 5 in the world, and I manage approximate 300%, 300 plus manpower. Out of that, diploma and engineering graduates are and MBAs are approximate 100 numbers. I realize that communication in English is very must. When I joined 5 years ago one of the MNC company, before that I had a 22 years of experience. I never felt that this will stop my growth. That was my assumption. But when I joined the new company, my existing company, I realized that I lost some of my growth in a real company as well. And in this company, if I will not improve in this, I will definitely be on the same position, or maybe in some time I will be maybe fired from the company, because at the higher position, if you don't have all the expertise like communication in proper manner, if some meeting is going on, if you are not able to convey your message clearly, you are not able to get whatever approval you need, or maybe some approval for your maybe new projects, or maybe some new additional manpower, any other thing, if you are not able to convince your maybe higher management or strategic people, then it will be very difficult to sustain in the same company. One more thought, that when I realized, I started immediately with the Skillsgenix help, and I really feel good. Till date, I am with Neha, and she is guiding me. I have very less time available, so I am getting, I think, this guidance only on Saturday, Sunday. Sometimes it is also difficult because we have some family related care also, so that we are not able to do sometimes also. So but still I try to do uh, more and more time this, because I have improved a lot from the day one I started this mentoring from Neha, and I really feel confident enough. My boss also gave me feedback that you have I think cleared 70% or 80%. Now you are remaining of 10 to 20%. You please clear all these, because in my age or my role, I need to be expert in this area, because the higher people, they need to speak and they need to get it done like that. So this is very must for me to grow further, to help to other people, and then because in this age I'm learning. That is my realization, and I believe that anyone can learn at any age. Age is not a bar. So please, if anyone has any problem related to their communication and presentation, because to grow today in any of the age, this is the must requirement. I believe that college and schools should guide all these things at the time of maybe whenever children are studying in schools and college, so that they will not face any problem when they enter in the organization. They will feel proud that they are able to do from, they are able to deliver the right perspective or right results from the day one. Thanks to all. Yeah.